So today we're in my cabinet shop, and by tradesman, I'm a carpenter. As you see, we got this combo set of cordless drills that are 21 volts, 100 amps each, and it comes with a regular drill, an impact drive, and what sold me on this, it comes with a lot of gadgets. It comes with drill bits, sockets, and flat and Phillips tips that comes with it. It comes with your instruction, your case. One unique thing that it comes with, the charger. This is not for every drill, so make sure you don't lose it. The particular one, so make sure you keep it close to your box. One other thing that I like, it comes with the LED light. It comes with 2 speeds, as you see here. And it has 1 speed and 2nd speed. That's all it comes with. On this, it has torque, so if you gotta drill something and you wanna move your speed, you can move your torque. This is for building or drilling, so you can move it to whatever speed mode you want. And it comes with 1st gear and 2nd, the same as that one. And it's a really strong drill.
How do you go reverse?
So the other thing it has, it comes with reverse here. You move it on the side, you press it, reverse and forward. And this is a really strong because it's a 21 bolt. So be careful when you hold it and try to tie the bit. Do it by hand. Don't try to hold it. So one thing that we like to test them out, see how strong they are. These are heavy duty bolts. We're gonna run them into a 2x4 and see how strong it is to see how it drills. So first thing you always wanna do, even though we're gonna drill this, we like to pre-drill everything just a little bit. So we use a point bit tip with a regular drill. That's so when you put your screw, it doesn't bounce on you. So be careful when you put it on because the drill is really strong. So make sure you tie it just by hand. We're gonna pre-drill a little bit. That's it. Just so it doesn't fall. Then we put it with the socket and see how strong it is. So you see this is a 4x6, and so we like to test them out because we use a lot of this when we go on the field as well. Let's see how strong it is. As you see, it went all the way through, and we're gonna remove it. It's really strong, it's really good. Perfect. Ready to have the guys use them in the shop and have some fun with them.